Here's how to reset to factory settings on Lenovo laptop. If you're using a Lenovo laptop, what you have to do is simply press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding the Shift key, go to the Start menu and click on Restart. Keep holding the Shift key while your laptop restarts. Once the screen goes black, continue holding the Shift key until you reach this troubleshoot screen. Once you reach the recovery menu, you'll see several options. From here, select Troubleshoot. On the next screen, click Reset this PC. You'll now have two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. If you choose Keep My Files, Windows will reset the system and remove your installed applications and settings while keeping your personal files, such as documents and photos. However, if your goal is to completely start over and return the laptop to a fresh state, select Remove Everything. Before continuing with this option, make sure you have backed up any important files you want to keep. Once you're ready, select Remove Everything. On the next screen, you have two options: Cloud, Download, and Local Reinstall. Choose Local Reinstall. Windows will now take a few moments to prepare the reset. You may then see a prompt asking whether you want to keep the PC set up for your workplace. Select No if you're resetting the laptop for personal use. At this point, I'm going to stop because I don't want to reset this PC right now. However, once you continue, Windows will show you one or two additional confirmation screens. After confirming the reset, the process will begin and your Lenovo laptop will be restored to its factory default state. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.